As a bus driver, Heidi Karsten
347 is our bus.
is used to picking up kids.
Mrs. Heidi, you are the best bus driver.
Now, they're the ones
I hope you get better. You can do it.
picking her up.
Yeah, because stage 4 cancer is really it's a tough pill to swallow.
In her 10th year as a driver for Independent School District 196, life took an unexpected turn.
I came home from my morning route and I walked in the door and I received a phone call. The biopsy showed that I had cancer in my stomach.
In December, she told her kids she wouldn't be coming back.
I miss it every day. I've passed my bus on the road. And now it's hard. Sorry.
Heidi is now at home in Rosemount going through chemotherapy. There is no cure for her cancer.
In one phone call, my life was changed forever.
I really do miss her. I wish she was our bus driver again.
Noah Weber is a 6th grader at Blackhawk Middle School, his first year on Heidi's route.
Yeah, she was really nice. I started thinking about trying to do something, and I just really couldn't just stand there and watch it happen, so that's why I chose to start fundraising.
Making loaves of banana bread and apricot muffins to sell, each one baked with love.
My mom was like, all right, are you ready to seal the envelope? And she told me the amount, and I was like, wait, Mom. And I went to my, what do I call this, money stash, and I picked $26 from it, and I added it to the pile to make exactly $1,000.
I just couldn't even believe it. Just couldn't even believe it.
Dear Heidi, when I found out about your cancer, I was devastated, and so was my family. I chose that I would do something about it. We hope this helps you get better soon.
Pretty awesome kid.
From gifts
This is also from one of my 5th grade patrols.
to cards,
Keep smiling, keep looking up, keep moving forward.
Bus 347 stays with Heidi as she steers a new route.
Just thinking about all of this gives me a little more will to fight.
Picking her up
I had no idea. You're just awesome.
for the long road ahead.